Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to automatically pull data from Excel into Smartsheet. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm excited to finally share the answer with you. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to thank you all for your support. I've been making videos for a while now, and it's because of you that I'm able to continue doing what I love. So, thank you again for watching, liking, and subscribing to my channel. Now, let's get started. What is Smartsheet? Before we can talk about how to automatically pull data from Excel into Smartsheet, we need to first understand what Smartsheet is. Smartsheet is a cloud-based spreadsheet and project management tool that is designed to help you get work done faster and smarter. It's a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including tracking projects, managing tasks, collaborating with team members, reporting on data. What is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program that is used to create and manipulate data. It's a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including creating financial statements, tracking sales data, managing budgets, analyzing data, how to automatically pull data from Excel into Smartsheet. Now that we have a basic understanding of Smartsheet and Excel, let's talk about how to automatically pull data from Excel into Smartsheet. There are a few different ways to do this, but I'm going to focus on two of the most common methods. Using the Smartsheet connector for Excel. The Smartsheet connector for Excel is a free add-on that you can install in Excel. Once you've installed the connector, you can use it to connect your Excel spreadsheets to your Smartsheet sheets. To use the Smartsheet connector for Excel, follow these steps. Open Excel and install the Smartsheet connector for Excel. Open the Excel spreadsheet that you want to connect to Smartsheet. Click on the Smartsheet tab in the Excel ribbon. Select the Connect button. Select the Smartsheet folder or sheet that you want to connect to. Click on the OK button. Once you've connected your Excel spreadsheet to Smartsheet, you can use the Refresh button to automatically pull data from Excel into Smartsheet. Using the Smartsheet API. The Smartsheet API is a set of tools that you can use to interact with Smartsheet. You can use the API to create sheets, update sheets, and import data into sheets. To use the Smartsheet API, you'll need to create a Smartsheet developer account. Once you have a developer account, you can use the API documentation to learn how to use the API. Once you've connected your Excel spreadsheet to Smartsheet, you can use the Refresh button to automatically pull data from Excel into Smartsheet. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for automatically pulling data from Excel into Smartsheet. Make sure that your Excel spreadsheet is formatted correctly. Smartsheet can only import data from Excel spreadsheets that are formatted correctly. Use the Refresh button regularly to keep your Smartsheet data up to date. If you make changes to your Excel spreadsheet, be sure to refresh your Smartsheet data. You can also use the Smartsheet API to automate the process of pulling data from Excel into Smartsheet. I hope this blog post has helped you learn how to automatically pull data from Excel into Smartsheet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new about how to automatically pull data from Excel into Smartsheet. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.